Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome here if you're new. My name's Vanessa. I'll be posting new videos every week, all beauty related content. I'd love it if you'd stick around and subscribe that way I would see you in my next video. Today's video is on my unboxing of my monthly Boxycharm box. Boxycharm is a box that is $21 a month and you receive 4 to 5, sometimes even 6 full-size beauty products, and it's different every month. I've been subscribed for almost like 8 months or something now, and I've really been enjoying it. So I'll just kind of go through and show you what I got in my box. Comment below what you got in yours and what did you guys think of this month's box. I know there was lots of discussion about it, like if people liked it or not, so comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So the first thing that I got is this Adesse New York organic age-defying nail treatment, sweet almond cuticle oil. I was okay to get this because I actually don't have any cuticle oils, so I thought it could come in handy, and it's a full size, so it's a big size as well. So I'm okay with getting this. That's fine with me. It's not something I use, but I probably should because I wash my hands so much at work that I should. So that was the first thing I got, and I'll link everything down below of what I got just because sometimes it doesn't pick up that well in the camera, and if you're interested. The next thing that I got is this House of Lashes false lashes in the color Bombshell. It says that they're handmade with love. I've never tried these before, but they look pretty dramatic. I usually like pretty light wispy eyeshadows. I don't like very thick ones, but they could still be quite wearable. They're just a lot of feather to them. So that's that. The theme of this month, I forgot, is Life of the Party. And it has 20% off codes for Smashbox and Laura Lee, which are here. The Smashbox one is Boxy, all capitals 20 for 20% off. And the Laura Lee is LLA Charm 25 for lauraleelosangeles.com. I'll put them down below if you're interested. The next thing is, came like this. It's like half open. This is the Bang Beauty, and it is open too. My lid is actually off. Okay. Let's see if it actually... Yeah, the box was beat up and the lid was off, so I don't know what that's about. But it's the Bang Beauty Chocolate Gel Eyeliner. And doesn't have any smell to it. That's the color of it. I've heard that you could use this as well as a brow pomade, which is what I'll be using it for. Oh, I just stuck my nail in it. Which is what I'll be using it for. I'm just swatching it here with what I have. So it's just a very light brown, nothing too intense. So it'd probably be good for eyebrows because it looks kind of patchy for the eyeliner. Not too excited about this, to be honest, because I don't like anything in brown. I use all my liners always in black, so I would never use this as an eyeliner, so I'll try it as a brow pomade. And comment below, have you guys tried this on your brows and did you like it? So that's that. The next is these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Golden Eye Masks, and there's 3 of them, which I love. I love the packaging on these. It's so pretty. And it says Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, individually packaged gold fold eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience the innovative layer of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevent evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate the skin. The middle layer is elastic, allowing the mask to adhere better to the skin, and the third is a cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe leaf extract and lavender oil offer a cooling effect while soothing and calming your eye area. So these actually sound great, and they're also mineral oil free, paraben free, phthalate free, synthetic fragrance free, and cruelty free. So that's awesome. I'm actually really excited to use these because I do have really big bags under my eyes, so hopefully they'll work. So I'm the happiest with that. So the next is the Laura Lee Party Animal Palette. It is so pretty. Like, the colors are so bright. this purple hungover is so nice. It's like a blue, and I actually love these blues as well. So I'll have to film a look with this. I don't know if I'll do all over the lid, but I might just do the under eye or do bits of the top with it, not the full eye. I like to put some neutral in it too, so it's more wearable, but it's really pretty. Like the colors are so bright, like it's gorgeous. And I do actually like that they did something different than just a neutral palette all the time. I love neutral, but the packaging is really nice on it too. I love neutral, but it's nice to have something different. So I will try this, and it's a nice size and everything, especially for travel. And the last thing that I got is this Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in the color Totes Matte. That's a color. And this is the packaging on it. It's very heavy duty packaging. And this is the color. There's a little bit of this like coconut butter smell. But it looks more bright on camera. It's really kind of like a mauvey nude. So it's quite wearable. So I'm actually really excited about that, because I know some people were getting like metallics and stuff like that, and I would never wear that. So this is a wearable color, so I'm happy with that. So that's everything that I got in my box this month. My favorite things are actually the eye gels. These are great. I can't wait to use them. The palette. It's just something new and exciting. Like the colors are actually really pretty. This hungover one is actually such a pretty purple. I actually like wearing purple sometimes, so I love that. And I like the lipstick because it's a wearable color. And also the eyelashes are good just because I know I'll use them eventually. I wasn't too crazy about this at all, this chocolate gel eyeliner. I just personally don't find the need for this, and I'm not that excited about cuticle oil because I've never used it before, so I don't really feel like I'm missing anything, but I'll give it a try. So comment down below, what did you guys get in your bags, or sorry, what did you guys get in your boxes this month? Did you like this month? What was your opinion on it? And if you have some kind of good uses, like how you did these looks with the Laura Lee palette, or how you used this product and made it something usable, just let me know underneath. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video really soon. Thank you. Bye.